there? Good.
Fine, Alhamdulillah.
Muhammad Alam is here.
Assalamualaikum,
Okay.
sir.
Walaikum assalam. Abdul Wasi.
Welcome, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Sorry, 10 minutes late, huh? Actually, girls' class took time 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, boys. So today, very important topic is there, huh?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Okay. So today very important topic. This very small topic, escape sequence, but nested loop will start today. Very important topic is there. Okay, boys. Escape sequence in Python. Okay. So escape sequences. Who knows escape sequence? Abdullah.
Yes, sir. Escape sequences are sequences that are used to escape loops and other such repeating, what do we call repeating sequences.
No. These are the escape sequences. These are allowed Python to use a backslash, okay, to include some letters in the command to perform something new, some action in the command. For example, you want to generate a new line, so we will use /n. You want to perform enter key, enter key, when you press enter key in the text it goes to the new line, so within the text we can generate a new line. And if you want to remove, walaikum assalam. Okay, so these are the escape sequences. Escape sequences are used in Python by prefixing a backslash to the character that need to be represented. Okay, so it includes a backslash, this is a backslash, and we include a letter to perform some task. So there are certain escape sequences, 7 /n/r/b/t and // comma and /o. So we will do one by one in this. Okay, so I will write a program here.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam. So our topic is escape sequence. Walaikum assalam ji. Escape sequence in Python. Okay, escape sequence mean a character is, a backslash is followed by a character to perform some task in Python. So you will see, I will give you simple example. See, this is word, right? So when you press enter key here, it bring the next text to the new line. See, okay, and when you press a tab key here, cursor is here, now press tab key, so from here, see, we have fixed here, so it will move till here. See, like this we can move the text using tab key, and backspace remove one by one. Okay, like this. And erase, when you delete the character in Word, MS Word, backspace one, for example you are here, okay, for example here, so backspace, it remove one letter from here. So like this. So in Python, if you want to perform some action, so we use these escape sequence characters within the, and this is used in print statement, direct in print statement. Okay, within the print statement only used, not separate. Okay, so make sure they are used in print statement. When you are using print statement to print something and you want to display text in a specific format, then we use all this. So we will use one by one, very important. Okay, for example, okay, direct we will use print statement. Okay, print Islamia English School Abu Dhabi LLC. Okay, But now I gave you task, or I want to say that print this Abu Dhabi LLC on new line. So what you will do, you will just cut this and use another print statement. Okay, I will use control C. I want to show your logic. What you will do, you will say, see sir, I have see. So see, Islamia English School on Abu Dhabi LLC, 2 lines we have printed. So you will show me like this, sir, I have done, right? Okay. So actual result is this, but I gave the task print after school, 2nd line. So you will do like this. You will cut or use separate Abu Dhabi. So not like this. We will use escape sequences. So first escape sequence is /n. Bus only you will use /n. See. So it is coming on after school Abu Dhabi LLC. So whatever written here, it is coming on 2nd line. So if you want to generate 2 lines, as many as you want, so use /n. So see. So escape sequences are used to handle the output. Sometime, in reporting and specific result printed on a specific area on the screen, so we use these. So this is a first /n. Okay. So now I want to, so please do with me also, start and write. Okay. So now we want to another method we want, for example /r. So /r same purpose, just a purpose of enter key. See, if you are here in Word and we press enter key here, it will go to the next line. So same here, /r, its meaning are carriage return key. If you see the enter key, before old keyboard return key was written there, now it is enter key, return key, carriage return. So same purpose, it will bring this also down. Okay, these two clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, so next is this one, and now we want to give more space, not 1 2. By default 4 spaces are there.
Walaikum sir.
Walaikum assalam. So see, we will use /t. So to print this text giving more space, so /t is coming here. Okay, if you want to give more spaces like this, so 3 t's are there. So see, so this one. Okay, so tab key we are using automatically in the output. So this purpose of tab key. Now for example, see here, Islamia English School, this 1 space 2 3 4 5. For example, in automatic list 4 spaces are generating. Okay, but we want to delete those spaces, so we will use /b/b/b. So what this will do, it will delete these 3 backward spaces and only 1 space will be there. Now we have given how many spaces? 4. So 3 unnecessary spaces are there, we want to delete. So see only 1 single space is there. 1 2 3, still 2 are there. Okay, we want to give, actually this is connected with the English word. No, okay, this one use like this. How many spaces are there? In the output 1 2 3 4 5 are there, so 2 are there. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, okay, 4. Now we want to see only single space.
So what does B stand for?
Backspace. On keyboard backspace is there. So see, single space is there. Now 3 spaces deleted. See, total 4 dots, 4 spaces are there, so 3 spaces will be removed by backspace. Mean from like a keyboard, pressing keyboard backspace on the keyboard, but this escape sequence character will delete the 3 blank spaces in this text, yani backward. Okay, so next is we have done N, R, B, T and slash. Sometime you want to give the slash also here. Okay, for example, Islamia English School football slash this one, which team? Cricket team, huh? Right, so you want to give a slash between this, so we will use double slash and want to check. So slash will come, one slash will come within these two words. Okay, this is simple, but if some variables are coming, then we use two slash. So for example, one result is coming here and second result is coming here, so we use two slash to put a slash between those two values. But this is simple, we are using between the two words. Okay, so this comma, for example, we want to use Islamia English School, and sometime you write in English with apostrophe, it's my school, like this we type, right? But whatever in the quotes it will print, but sometime we want to print this text also, we will use this. Okay, slash comma this one. So we want to check, see, it's my school, so this slash will not print it, slash is not printing, slash is using. We are using slash to implement this one.
So why are you using a slash?
Slash, it is a command in Python to implement these action. B for backspace, N for new line, and T for tab. If we will not give this slash, this will not work. For example, it will be printed T as with, because it is in the quotes. See, whatever in the quotes it will print. See, even you use this also, for example, comma is here, because these are the two quotes, whatever in this quote it will print, I think no error. See, it is printing, but we want to print as a as a apostrophe in English when there are no quotation. We are coming in quotes, but some variables are coming, then it is useful. So we use.
Sir, what if you want to print a slash?
You want to print a slash. So
yes.
See, if you want to print a slash, then you will use two times, one slash as a reserve word for Python, and one it will print this. See, check the result of this. See, it is coming here. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next is this slash triple O. So before that, ASCII table is there. ASCII table mean American Standard Coded Information Interchange. So this table contains the codes of the keyboard. See, when you type from the keyboard, every letter has a code. See, when you type small y, its code, decimal is 121, okay, and octal is 171, right? So now we will use octal code, octal. So 3 digits code for octal. So you will see when you will use 3-digit code, it will bring the special character for that. Okay, so from 00 till 171 you can use any code to print the letter. This one, this red letter characters are there. Okay, so as a computer science students, ICT students, you must know what is this. This is the American Standard Coded Information Interchange Table. The manufacturer follow this table when they manufacture the keyboard. So every keyboard key is assigned a code. When you press W, see small w, so its decimal octal code is 161, hexa code is 77, and decimal is 1119. So it generates 3 different codes. So now see, we can use in our program also. So print, you always you will use in quote. So slash, it is given 3O. So we will not use O, mean 3-digit code we will use. For example, slash 170, then slash 171, then slash 172. We will check the code. It is still 171, not 172. Okay, we will check this. Okay, so 170 and 171. See, XY it is printing. So octal code, 3-digit code it can use. Okay, now if you use before or here or see, wait. If we want to use 165 slash 166 slash 167 slash 170 slash 171, see now. So we can use UVWXY. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can use the code in direct print the letter using these codes. And now see, if we use 045, what will happen? So percent sign is percent sign code is 045. And what is the code for 43? Hash sign, number sign or hash sign. Okay, so these are the octal codes used by escape sequence. And yes, this one. Now we are coming to very important topic, nested loop. You are familiar with loop, right? We have done a lot of practice in class also, lab also.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, now see, nested loop mean a loop within another loop. A loop within another loop. Now see, I will give you, first I will explain to you simple example. Okay, this is one circle. So students are here, 2 students, they are running in this circle, right? And one circle is there outside. Okay, what was the task? Task was given to each student. This circle is maintained by one P teacher 1, and this circle is maintained by P teacher 2. Okay, so students are here. So they are latecomers, right? So P teacher asked, okay, 5 rounds in a circle. 2 P teacher, they gave them 2 different tasks. Okay, 5 round for each student by each P teacher. Okay, now P teacher, okay, we will give name this 1 and out, this is 1 and this is 2, right? So P teacher 1 asked 5 rounds, so they will start. Now P teacher 2 also gave 5 rounds, so they will come, take the instruction from the P teacher 1 and then start 5 rounds. So P teacher 2, 5 round finish. then they will report to P teacher 1, but P teacher 1 will say, no, you have completed his 5 instruction 5 round, not for me. So they will come again and start 5 round again. When they will come here, P teacher 1 will say, no, you have completed his 5 tasks, not me, my second turn now. Second time you are completing. So 1, 2, 3, 5 time he is asking. So when he say go 5 time, so they will complete, they will go in the inner loop and complete the inner loop 5 time and then come back. He will say, no, this is second turn, you go and complete 5 time again. When they will come back and to report to the outer loop, and its value will be third time, not the 5th time. Then again they will complete this loop and come back. Now 4 time, then again 5 time this, and then 5th time, then come inside and then they will run again 5 time, and then okay, now he will say, yes, you have completed my 5 time. So in a short, when there is a nested loop, the purpose of example is this. So when 2 loops are there, so you just multiply those. If one loop is 5 time and second loop is 5 time, so how many times they will execute? 25 times. So this is the logic. So when I will explain, when I will write a program, so you must know that how many times the nested loop will be executed. Mean you multiply the both range last number of both loops together, then you will get the answer 5 times. So I will give the, I hope the logic is clear now. So I will go here and use the nested loop. So it is little bit complex, but don't be disheartened, ask questions and stop me. I will today I will repeat this again and again so that you must know. Nested loop. Okay, so what is nested loop? A loop within another loop. Now see, for I in range 1 to 5, so we will use 5 plus 1 6 time. Before we were using print statement here, like we were using print statement here, okay, but now after for loop we will use another loop, another for loop with another variable j in range 1 to 5. This is nested loop. Okay, for loop 1 is the outer loop, for loop with I is outer loop, and for loop with j is inner loop. Now when this will execute, this colon represent, now this loop is actually the body of this loop, execution body of this loop. So when it will take value of I and colon states that this is the statement to be executed, and how many times this loop? 5 times. So this statement will be executed 5 times, but this statement is itself a loop. Okay, so this is the inner loop. So now this statement, you know, normally we call a loop's body, but this statement is itself a loop. So first this loop will complete and then go back to check to inform the loop that I have run. No, this will say now value of I is 2 now, go again. So when it will come again here, so this loop will be executed again 5 times. When it will finish, it will go back and value of I will be 3 now, and come to join this, again this loop will execute 5 times. When it will finish, it will go back and come again, and this loop will execute 5 times again. Like this, it will change the value of I till 5 times, and this loop will be executed again 5 times. So it means this loop will run 5 times, and this loop also will execute again every this 1 time and this 5 times. This again second time, this will run 5 times. This will come third time, again this will run 5 times. So like this you multiply 5 by 5. So if you count, so 25 time this loop will work. 25 time. Okay, now we want to check. Tell me, logic is clear now?
No, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
No or yes?
No. No, sir. Yeah.
See, I gave you, before I explained to you, when you are familiar with the loop, we were using print statement here, okay? Print I. So it means this loop will execute this statement how many times?
Sir, 5 times.
5 times.
5 times.
5 times. Now instead of the statement we are using another statement which is itself a loop, which is another loop, not a simple statement. Okay.
So what will that do?
So now see, so this loop.
Sir, if the loop is by its loop, then how will it work?
Now see, I am telling you now. So when it will come, so a compiler will know it is another loop. So now this loop will execute 5 times and complete, then go back to the outer loop. Now see, okay. So now try to understand like this. Print I and j. Now see. So today you will understand this one only. So you will be ready then. So for why it is giving error? Yes. In range. Now finish. Now see here, what is the value of I?
Sir, 1 and 6.
First value, initial value 1. Okay, 1. Okay, here what is the value of j? First value.
So 1 and 6.
1. 1.
So 1.
Okay, so this is the loop. First time it will know this loop. This loop will run 1 to 5. But after colon another loop. Now it will complete this loop first. So j is 1. Now after colon this statement is there. So this loop will execute this statement 5 times. Then it will go back here because this is a loop. So to complete this loop, it will complete first inner loop, then go back to the first outer loop, because this was the loop also, right?
So sir, which one will it execute first?
So first, first time it will note down I is 1, right? But after colon, compiler will know another loop is there, so it will note down this also. Now it will execute this statement. So first this loop will be executed 5 times because it is 1 to 5. When it will finish, then it will go back and check this loop. What is the value of I? It was first time. Now it will make it 2 and then come back. When it will come back, another, again this loop will work. Again 1 to 5 this loop will work, and after this loop this statement will execute 5 times. When this will finish, this loop will finish 1 to 5, then it will report to the outer loop and check what is the value of I. Now it is 3, but it is 1 to 5. Again it will come down and run this loop 5 times and print this statement. Like this it will repeat the complete inner loop and report out, check outer loop, what is the value of I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When value of I will become 5, then it will finish. Now see, now check the value. Okay, we will give the space also so that you can, we use and equal space to print in one line and give after each number a space. So now see, so value of I is 1, I 1, value of j is 1 here, right? But this loop, this statement will execute how many times?
5.
5 times, yes. Now but here, check here, value of I will remain 5 times 1, because it brought from here, na? Value of 1 came from here. So j is here, it is changing value of j, not value of I. So 1 here, 1, 2, then I remain 1, again value of j 3, value of I 1 again, value of j 4, I 1, because I, it is in this loop, I is not changing, only j is changing. Then okay, we start from here. So I, now value of j is 5. Now this loop finish.
Sir, why are there two ones at the front?
So because I is constant, no, I is, because we are moving in this loop, we are using two loops. So value of first loop value is 1. So the time, we are in the second loop, value of I will remain 1. When this will finish, it will go to the outer loop and change the value of I. Now value of I is 2 and come back, and this loop will again start from 2 or 1, because j is 1 to 6. So see here, it was here. So I is 2, now j 1, now j 2, I 2, j 2, right? Then j 3, I will remain 2, j 4, I 2, j 5. Now this completed. Now it will go back and change the value of I to 3, and now it will come here. When it will come here, value of I is 3, but value of j is 1 to 5. 5. So it will complete value of here. Again value of j will change 1, 2. See, I is 3, 3. I is 3. Value of j will change to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. But value of I is 3. When this loop finish 1 to 5, okay, I will make it short. If this loop is till, for example, 3, so it will run 2 times. Okay, now we will check. See, so value of I is 1, value of j is 1. So this loop, its body is this. Actually this loop is the body of this loop. When it comes here, it is another loop. So another loop body is this. So it will repeat this loop 3 times. Now see, value of I is 1. Now j is 1 to 2. I is 1, j is 1, and j 2. Right? This I 1 first time, I 1, j 1. This is first time. This one. When this loop will run second time, so j value will come again 1. And okay, and then j value 2, then j value 3. So it will repeat this. Okay, now tell me any confusion still? Mute your mics, please. You got the concept?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
now see, we want to print. Now see.
Yes.
Okay. So I is equal to I in range 1 6, j in 1 to 3. Now we want to print, for example. Okay. Now tell me. For example, we want to print Islamia. How many time it will print? How many time it will print?
We get it.
Anyone please give me answer. How many time Islamia?
5.
Okay, once he says 5 time. Who is this? Ali?
Hussain Ali.
Hussain Ali. Okay. Hussain says, see the logic, Hussain. First loop is 1 to 5. Second loop is 1 to 2, because 1 plus we use. So how
Sir, 7 times. Sir, it will print 10 times.
Okay. Rayan says 10 time. Okay.
Sir, 7.
Okay, you say 7 time. Hussain says 5 time. Okay, we want to see the result now.
6 times.
Count it.
10.
10,
So 10.
10 time. So
10.
always multiply the range of first loop with the second loop. So this loop is 1 to 5, so 5. This loop is 1 to 2, so 2. 5 2s are 10. So this statement will execute 10 time. Okay, this statement will run for
10 times.
10 times. Okay, so now see, so this is little bit complex, but this is programming. Actual programming is this, how to handle the complex statements. Okay, so print statement. Now I want to show you. Okay, you use these like this to for loop and print whatever you want to print. Use print I, j, whatever you want to print, and use I, j, and another statement is use print j comma I. In any order you can use and see the results. So two statements are there. Now one, see, this is this, I will explain again. This is the first loop. When compiler reads this, so it notes down that this is the loop, first loop, 1 to 5. When this comes, compiler gets another loop. So compiler now involves in this statement because this is a loop. After colon, so it will complete first this loop. Compiler will complete first this loop. But as I said, compiler noted down this, that in the beginning there is a first loop also there. So after completing this, it will go to the outer loop and report it, mean check it, what is its value of I. It was 1 now. Now it will make it 2 and come back again. Then this loop will complete again. So like this it will repeat 5 times, 10 times, whatever the range is there, it will complete that one. Okay, so now I am giving you, so this you will get by through practice. So the concept is clear now, right? When two loops are there, so outer loop execute the first loop complete, and then outer loop comes again to check its execution second time. Okay, outer loop one time, inner loop will run maximum time. When inner loop finish, then outer loop execute again, and then inner loop will execute again from 0 till the end, right? So like this it will execute the statements. So I will show you to just see how to print these numbers asterisk like this. Print first star one time, then on second line 2 stars, then on third line 3 star, on fourth line 4 star, and then 5 star. So mean first time 1, second time 2, third time 3, fourth time 4, and fifth time 5 stars, or any number, any printer you can, any letter, any number you can print. Okay, so today we will clear this concept, very very important. After then it will be easy for you next in the next coming statements. Okay, so how to print this, we will use two loops. Okay, before that I want to make it clear to you. So see, when you, I will delete this, when after this loop you enter, so see cursor comes here. If by mistake you press backspace and you type print here, okay, for example print I, see why it is giving error, because there is no
because of indent.
Because there is no statement for this loop. See, if I press enter here, see, so statement should be here, not here, right? This loop needs a statement, so statement is not here, we are back. So if you are here, this statement is for this loop. If you see enter here, see, so it is matching with this. So this statement will execute after this loop and then go to the for loop. So if there is no statement, okay, for example, we don't want to give statement for this loop, you can use simply pass. Now see, error gone. So when we don't want to give a statement for loop, give pass, mean ignore it. There is no statement, just pass it. Now we want to run it. So first time when it will come, it will print I, but here we should give something now, so that we must know print, okay, A we want to print. So this loop will print A 2 times. When it will finish, then it will print value of I 1, then it will go back and value of I 2, then come and value of J will execute 2 times and print A 2 times, and then this value of I 2 and then go back I 3 and then print J 1 to 2 again. Like this it will execute. Okay, see now. See.
Sir, I sent a screenshot in the Teams. Can you see it?
Oh, okay, I will check after this. Okay, see. So A, it is printing A 2 times, then value of I 1 time. Okay, then A 2 times, then value of I, J is printing, then A 2 times, then value of J, value of I 3, then value A 2 times and then value of I 3 now, then 4, and then in the end it will print value of I 5. So for I in range 1 to 6, for J in range 1 to 3, so like this it will execute and print. Now see, now we want to print this one. Now see, when we want to print, now in second loop, mute your mics please, mute your mics. So we want to execute the as per our result. Now we want this. See, first time 1 time, then 2 time, then 3 time, then 4 time. See, so first time value of I is 1. When it will come here, it is 1 to 3, 2 time. But we want it also 1 time, 2 time as it bring the value of I. So we will use the value of I here also. I plus 1. Now see, value of I is 1, 1 to 6, 1 to 5 this loop. When it will come here, now this loop will work till 1 to first time 1 to 2. 1 to 2 mean 1 time it will run. So it will print value of A. Then it will go back. Okay, we remove this and use here slash n, this one, to generate a new line, escape sequence. This is escape sequence. So first print A, 1 to 2 mean 1 time. When it will come back, value of I will be 2. Now J in range 1 to 2 plus 1, 2. Now it will run this statement 2 times. This statement will run 2 times. Now it will print A 2 times, and then it will go to the new line and come back, go to the outer loop. Now value of I is 3, and J in range 1 to 3 plus 1 mean 3 times it will run this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see, what is the issue? It is not still, it is printing in this loop. Print here statement is okay. So here we want to check this and print, but still print, we are printing 1 to 6. What is the error here? Here, yes, this is here, this is slash t, so it should be A, then A to A. We want to use this in single line. Yes, so we will give here space also. So comma and equal this one, then generate a line. Otherwise it is see. So A first time it will print A and generate space. Why we are using this AND space? Because to print the values of a for this loop in a straight line. First time it will print a, but second time we want to print 2 to 1, mean 2 times, so it will print a 2 time in straight line. When it will come here, then it will go to the new line. After new line it will go to the I and change the value of I 3, and it will come here. 3 plus 1 mean 4, so 3 time. Now it will print a 3 time. This.
Sir, why 3 times?
Because see now this one a. See value of.
Sir, why have we wrote /n?
/n mean after printing this result, go to the new line. We want to print next time. See, okay, try to understand. I in range 1 to 6, right? Now j in range is 1 comma I plus 1. What is the value of I first time?
1 to 5.
1. Value of I is first time 1 here.
1.
So 1 plus 1 2. 1 to 2 mean this loop will work how many time?
So till 5 times.
This loop will work. Yeah, if this loop is like this, I am not talking this loop. This loop first, when it will come down, this loop will be completed in 1 time, because 1 to 2 mean 1 time, right? Then it will go back and change the value of I. That's why we are using value of I to control this loop, I plus 1. So first time value of I is 1 plus 1, 2. So 1 plus 2 mean 2. 1 to 2 mean 1 time this will complete and go back to the outer loop. Now value of just a minute, value of I will become 2. Now it will come back and 2 plus 1 3. So 1 to 2, it means this will print a 2 time. Now it will complete and go to the new line and then go to the outer loop, and now value of I is 3. 3 plus 1 mean 4. So 4 mean 1 to 3, it will complete 3 time. Now 3 time a print and go back. Now value of 4 ai is 4. 4 plus 1 5. So mean 4 time it will run. So 4a it will print. Then new line, go to the new line and go back to this loop. Now value of I is 5. When come here 5 plus 1 6, so it means 5 time. Now this statement will execute 5 time. So this. Now purpose of AND is print the repeated values in the straight line. In the straight line like this. In a straight line. When finish, then
Yes, sir.
when finished, then go to the new line. Mean second result must be printed on the new line. Then next third result must be printed on the new line. Now tell me.
Sir, it can only execute 5 times.
You can change as many times. For example, now this is 10 time. How many time it will print? It will execute
10.
10 time.
9 times.
See, so again,
Sir, 9 times.
what changes we have? We remove from here. No, this 9 time. Yes, good boy.
9.
Yes, 9 times. So we will use 11 time, right? So see 11. This will come here. 9 plus 1 10. So this here 10, 1 to 10, and here I will come 10. So 10 into 10, 100 time this statement will be executed. This loop. Okay, now see. So we want to check here to print in a straight line. You have to use this. Give one space. It is optional if you give space or no. If you not give space, it will not give space. If you give more spaces, then you can. It is up to you. Now see. So last loop will execute how many time? 10 time.
Sir, 10 times.
10 time. So I 1 to 11. It will note it 1 to 11. Now value of I is 1. When it will come in the second loop, so we are using value of I here 1 plus 2. So it means this loop will work one time. When it will finish, it will go to the new line and go to the outer loop. Change the value of I, because value of I it executed only one time. So now 2. Now it will come in J, and now it is 1 to 2 plus 1. We are changing this loop also as per our requirement. Otherwise we can use this also, this also we can use 10 times like this. So but we will not get the result as per if the question come print the result like this, because first time 1, then second time 2, third time 3, like this till 10 time 10A should be printed. But if you will use 1 to 10, 1 to 10, see, it will not give us the result. It will give the result like this every time 10 time. You are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So we have to control the inner loop. Inner loop, so how we will control? With the upper loop variable I plus 1. So first time outer loop value is 1, so 1 plus 1 2, it will execute one time. Then second time value of I will be 2, so 2 plus 1 2, 3, it will execute 2 times. Then next time 3 plus 1 4, so 3 times. Like this we will execute this loop. Now tell me now something.
Sir, can we execute more than 100 times?
Yes, as many. If you are free, you can use million time also, no problem.
Sir, can you tell me what's my mistake?
See, it is running. It is running. See, from A, we started from A, and how much time? Outer loop?
1,000 times.
999 times.
999.
Yes, 999, 999, and this will also be 999
99 plus 1.
because value of I is also 999, it will come here also. So multiply 999 to 999 and see, count the values, how many time it will print. It is still printing. See, error, see, overflow and this and that, so sometime stack value, we call it stack value because memory finish. Okay, so we will not execute, we will stop this, and we will use to 5 to 6 and 5 to 6. See, so now if we use, instead of, now you check, now I is here, J is here. If we print J only, so value of J is changing 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Now see, 1 time J, 1 time 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. See, 1 2 3 4 5. This is value of J, because every time J is changing. Now if we use I, now value of I change only one time. See, 1, then 2, because when it will come 2 then it will print, then 3 3 4 4 5 5, because this loop is executing as the value of I is changing. Now tell me honestly, you understand this or not?
Yes, sir.
Or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you will print like
Yes.
now you for your assignment is this one. Okay boys, this will be your homework. This second reverse triangle, you can print 1 1 1
Okay,
2
sir.
2 or 3 3 or star, how to print this. So just try it. I will share the video of this also with you, and so please give some time. And for after first term we will do one program in different languages, in C also, in Java also. Okay, so we will compare.
We'll do C++.
Yes, C++ and Java together, or Python also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so give some time instead of playing games and Facebook and this audios, videos. So please give some time to the programming, build up the concepts, logic, then I think you will be easy. You will you will love it. And
That was the mistake. Can you check it?
okay, who is this?
Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali. Your channel name mistake, huh?
No, son, not this one. Go. Can you go up?
Up here?
Yeah, this one. What's? Can you check the code?
Yeah, this now I told you na. See, this is inner loop, right? And this statement is okay.
Yes.
When this finish, so it will go to the outer loop. So this print should be here, back. Just bring cursor here and one backspace, it will come here.
Sir, I also sent one.
Ali,
Sir, Sir Ibrahim.
no,
Okay.
no, Ali, do it and check.
So which line? The
This-
N one.
This last print slash n, move it back one backspace. It will come under this for. So because actually this is the body of this outer loop here.
It's working.
Now coming, okay?
Yes.
Yes. So see, so be careful. Try to understand. If we write here, so you must know that this statement will be part of this loop or this loop. So if it is here, part of this loop. If it is here, it is part of this loop.
Yes.
Okay. So like this, please ask questions. Yes, you. Who was the other?
Sir, my name is Ibrahim. Sir, I sent you a picture at the bottom.
Okay, Ibrahim is here. Ibrahim, where is Ibrahim?
Sir, down, down.
This Ibrahim mistake, huh? Remove the tab from the second print main sentence, or what is the mistake? Where is the program?
Sir, send the screenshot. Go down.
Okay. For I in range 1 to 11, for j in range 1 to I plus 1, print a, print slash n. Something is for I in range 1. What is the mistake here? Here mistake. You don't give space here. Move it back. Move this far back.
Okay, sir.
See, indentation error is there. When some indentation is there, so it means it is on wrong place. So move this far back and check it and tell me.
Sir, it worked.
Working?
Yes, sir.
Good. So see, like this, when you will find the errors, so then you will love it. You will enjoy it. Okay, so this is actual programming. So, okay boys. So thank you very much. So next inshallah, now I will give homework also, and I will upload the video of this, and please spend some time, 10 to 15 minutes daily. Just write, even you don't have that device, write on a paper, build up a logic. Paper pen must be with you, then you will be in a good in programming. Okay, so this platform, why we are giving you this platform? We are giving you this platform because those who want to adapt as a profession, programming or software engineering, so they must avail this opportunity after O level, after A level. So even if you know the programming, so even you are in Islamia school, because in Islamia school in grade 12 there is no computer science. So if you are doing 12 from Islamia school, then you can register as a private candidate in Cambridge and appear as a computer science student. If you are good in programming, so 70 to 80% A level course finish, syllabus finish A level. So in A level, most of the topics are related to programming. Okay, so then you will be, you have a chance to avail. You want to adapt or programming or software engineering, robotics and artificial intelligence, what you want. So programming give you more chances. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, sir. Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.